When you're planning to upgrade your outdoor space, there's a good chance you'll come across two popular choices: pergolas and gazebos. I've looked into both, and let me tell you, they each have their strengths, but the differences matter more than you might think. So let's break it down, fast and simple. A pergola is an open air structure. It's usually made of four posts and a slatted roof, not solid so the sun filters through. You get airflow, light, and even space for plants to grow overhead. It's the kind of structure that gives off that Tuscan, wine country vibe. Pergolas can be attached to your house or built freestanding, right over a deck or patio. They're flexible, airy, and visually appealing, without fully closing you off from the outdoors. Now a gazebo. That's a more solid setup. It has a full roof and is always freestanding. Think of it as its own little outdoor room, complete with shelter from rain and sun. You can sit out in a storm and stay dry, something a pergola can't quite do. Gazebos also tend to have more structure, sometimes even built-in seating, railings, or raised flooring. It's cozy and great for any weather. The biggest difference? The roof. Pergolas let the sun in, which is great for light and style, not so great when it rains. Gazebos block everything out, so if full protection matters to you, that's a clear win for the gazebo. In terms of durability, gazebos usually last longer. That full roof helps protect the entire structure from wear and tear. Pergolas can last for years too, especially with regular maintenance, but exposed wood or metal won't hold up quite as long. Let's talk cost. Pergolas are more budget-friendly. They use fewer materials, are easier to build, and are way more DIY-friendly. You can get a nice one for under $1,000 if you do it yourself. Gazebos? They're a bit of an investment. More materials, more labor, more complexity, but also more structure and shelter. So which should you choose? Go for a pergola if you want a breezy, open space that blends into your patio or garden. It's about looks, light, and atmosphere, perfect for vines, outdoor dining, and sunny days. Choose a gazebo if you want year-round coverage and something that feels more like a destination in your yard. It's traditional, durable, and great for gathering, no matter the weather. Both structures can add serious charm and value to your home. It just depends on how you plan to use the space. Whether you're sipping wine under the sun or hiding out from a summer rain, there's a style that fits. If this helped you decide, give it a like and let me know in the comments. Pergola or gazebo?